What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, the celebrity doctor Nandipha finally returned back to her senses when she appeared in court. On this day, reality finally dawned on her, and she just couldn't help it but appeared to be crying so much after realizing that finally she can no longer run away. And on top of that, her boyfriend, Tabo Bester, had given up. So the trial has been postponed to July 21 to allow for the finalization of Nandipha's application to the Supreme Court. Nandipha is arguing that her constitutional rights were actually violated when she was forced to return back to South Africa. So when she was forced to return back to South Africa, at that time Nandipha was actually in Tanzania. So her chances of winning this case in Supreme Court, the way I'm seeing it, are slim to none and very, very close to none. And these are the reasons why Nandipha is not a Tanzanian resident. She is South African. She was not in Tanzania legally at that time, and she had been on the run from South African authorities. So there is no way the Supreme Court is going to overrule that ruling and say Nandipha's constitutional rights were violated when she was extradited back to South Africa. So what is actually surprising me is that this application by Nandipha, like, what is she trying to do if she wins? Is she trying to return back to Tanzania, where she's going to be living illegally there? It just doesn't make any sense at all. So sometimes the law is difficult to understand, because when you get extradited, do you actually consent to that? Or maybe it's beyond your means to be extradited. But it turns out that if the two countries have an extradition treaty, then that individual, he has no right to be consenting to that extradition. So Nandipha is not going to win this one, and they're going to return back in court on July 21 this year. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.